of the internet. Today we have another Redbird unboxing. It is for the month of July, so we're going to see what goodies we have in. I am in my craft room, which is different because normally I'm in the dining room, but I got to go to Tennessee and everything's a mess. So, I did request items, but I can tell I didn't get one because of the size of this box. Which is okay, because you don't get everything you ask for. That's not how this works, guys. Alright. If you don't know what Redbird is, it's a monthly subscription box of vintage goodies. They have more than one to choose from. You have the Lorraine, which is clothing and accessories. You have the Teresa, which is a tea subscription. You have a scarf subscription. And you have the Marie, which is what I get, which is accessories. Now, you can use my code Heather10 and you can get 10% off your first monthly subscription purchase. Now, as always, it's gonna be lovely. Oh, I might have gotten... Okay, let's set the box aside. Now, I will say this. The box is like cat dreams. Like, once you have them, you can't get rid of them because the cat goes crazy. If you have a cat, trust me. Now, that is the flare piece. Which is like a pretty little flower. Is this actually... Oh, and this is a brooch. Okay, I will definitely use this as a brooch. Sometimes it's a bit damaged or worn, and it's just something that they just don't have as like a standalone item. But I gotta be honest with you, I can see the wear on it, but it's not enough for me to be like, oh no! Like, I actually kind of like the wear on it, because I think it gives it a little bit more character, but that could just be me. Alright. We hope you love your box this month. And we know you're going to look amazing in the hat. Okay, so they think I'm going to look like a normal person. So that's awesome. I got a hat and I should look like a normal person. Okay. Now, this is the Little House of the Prairie bag, which I'm still not at the cat quilt stage yet, but I am making a quilt out of these. I've used quite a few of them, so I have to be a wee bit more careful. All right. Our first item is a pearl bracelet. Now, it's got this clasp on it, and I've never seen one like it before. It kind of, I can't get my camera to focus today, but it kind of looks like a book. It's neat. It's really, like, the clasp is awesome. And I think that's cute. I love pearls, so they know that. Pearls are kind of a thing. Alright, and the other thing I got was this brooch, which is pearls and leaves. I don't know if this is supposed to look like a certain plant. Are you supposed to be a certain plant? A pearl plant? Because that's where pearls come from. They come from plants. They don't. Please, kids, don't think they come from plants. Because honestly, at this point, I would believe that kids thought that. Okay. Okay, now this is an item I requested. These are Avon Pearl Lace Gift Set. Now, how do you open this? Yeah. Now, I did request this. And the reason why is the earrings. Ah, you stop it. You stop it. It's the necklace and the it's not participating. It's the necklace and the earrings. And the reason why I like this necklace is because it looks kind of like lace. It's got a very cool collar design to it. And I was like, yeah, I'm gonna rock that with the right outfit. I don't know the right outfit yet, but I know I've never seen one like that before. I have pearls, but they're all just like, just normal strands. And I thought this was totally different and totally cool. So I've just got to figure out the right collar. I know that sounds weird, but that's the best way of describing it. I want to figure out the right collar. The collar that makes it say, "What's up?" Okay, and last but not least, now I also requested this item, and it was actually because Sarah had it on her head, and when she wore it, I was like, "Daggone, Sarah, you look fab." Oh, gonna have to make something to match this. Is that, I mean, you would think the bow would be in the back, but the tag says no. I might have to, do you pop this out? Oh, maybe that's why okay. It's a little weird on my head because I've got to figure out how I want to wear it. But I think this is actually very, very cute. I will have to find something that coordinates well with this. I don't know what, because it's kind of an orangey red. It's kind of a poppy red. I've been around my husband too long because I'm like, this is the color of a 1970s Bronco. No, that's not helping anybody. So I don't have any fabric in this color, so I'm definitely going to have to find something so that I can make a super, super cute outfit out of this. And I like it. My head feels big. I know I measured it and it's normal. That's right, people. I measured my head. But I think it's cute and different. And I will I always sew like little combs into my hats just to make sure they stay on my head well, because my hair is like, I have it thinned out right now, but it is thick, so things just go. All right, but I love everything that I got in my box. I will share a link down below to the other Redbird girls that I talked to, so you can see the kind of items that they get, because we all get something different, because we all like different decades and have different taste and styles and things like that. So I highly recommend looking at the other Redbird girls as well. And other than that, if you wouldn't mind, like, subscribe, share, comment, do all the YouTubey things that you do. And I hope everybody has a good day and a good week.